Welcome to ControlSpaceEX, a complete audio conferencing ecosystem. Let's take a virtual tour so you can discover why many integrators are quickly adopting this system solution built upon an in-depth collaboration from leading integrators and consultants seeking a more refined, user-friendly, and Dante-networked conferencing platform. ControlSpaceEX will provide labor efficiency for your next conference installation and increase user satisfaction. We will start the tour at the conference table. In this example, we have a desktop and smartphone. A great advantage with ControlSpaceEX is the multi-telephone support for digital and/or analog phone systems. You can use standard desktop telephones. Our platform also provides enhanced capability to easily include audio from a smartphone in your conference call instead of a desk phone. To capture the conference attendees' voices, ControlSpace supports most analog and networked microphone systems in the market. It's microphone agnostic. Your microphones can range from compact, boundary style, or you can go digital with Dante-enabled microphones or even overhead array mics. The options are endless, and ControlSpaceEX can support them all. For our system example, we have 7 wired analog conference microphones positioned around the table, each with an LED light ring and push button. Simple logic controls within ControlSpaceEX can control each microphone's mute button and trigger their LED on and off status. Another innovation is the ability to directly connect a computer via USB at the tabletop. A user can bring their own laptop, easily plug into the system, and leverage the performance from ControlSpaceEX for a Skype call, GoToMeeting, or online webinar. ControlSpaceEX can be controlled via a wired or wireless tablet running the ControlSpace Remote app. As seen on the tablet, a phone dialer is included and the functionality to engage room privacy mode. That'll be explained later in the presentation. ControlSpace Remote app can also run on smartphones for mobile control. For designers requiring third-party control, ControlSpaceEX is control-friendly, with modules for common control systems and an open API. A common installation pain point is wiring bulky cables to the conference table. ControlSpaceEX only requires a single network cable from the equipment rack to the table. This is done by our innovative Dante-enabled EX endpoints, providing robust technology and a compact solution that fits in your hand. There are 3 models, with each providing control, power over Ethernet Plus, and Dante network audio transport over one wire. 2 models, the EX4ML and EX8ML, provide mic line source connectivity, and GPIO for popular conferencing microphones and light rings. The 3rd unit provides telephone headset connection, audio, and USB for bring your own device connectivity. All 3 models can be daisy-chained for a one cable to the table installation. The EX endpoints have another installer-friendly innovation, their unique magnetic mounting bracket. Now you can provide the conference table vendor with only the attachment plate. They can mount it to the table. When you arrive for the installation, all you do is magnetically snap it into place. If needed, it can be secured via set screws. To explain how ControlSpaceEX endpoints simplify the installation process, let's view it from this top view system diagram. Our table devices are a desktop VoIP phone and smartphone, 7 conference mics, a bring your own laptop, and a system room controller. This system requires an EX8ML and EX-UH endpoint mounted under the table. The 7 conference microphones will wire into the EX8ML. The telephone and/or mobile device will connect to the EX-UH endpoint. The laptop also connects via USB. The system control panel is connected to the EX-UH network and power ports. Now you can daisy chain the 2 endpoints together via a network and power cable. All the table devices are now connected, and all you need is one network cable from the table to the equipment rack. Your installation has become simplified, with no multiple messy cables running from table to rack. The single network cable plugs into a standard PoE Plus network switch. The PoE Plus power from the switch is powering the table endpoints. From the switch, a single network cable connects to the powerful Bose EX1280C processor. As seen in the diagram, it incorporates 64 digital audio inputs and 64 digital audio outputs using industry-standard Dante network audio transport. In our system example, all audio sources from the table are being connected via the single network cable from the table to the AV rack. This makes for a quicker installation with no hums or soldered connections. It is powerful enough to simultaneously process and control multiple rooms, including room combining. And it provides 12 local analog mic line inputs and 8 outputs. Audio such as AV presentation switchers, hardware codecs, media players, music sources can be added to the audio system. The EX1280C incorporates 12 routable acoustic echo cancelers with adaptive noise cancellation, nonlinear processing, and comfort noise to enhance the meeting clarity and intelligibility. 4 AEC references support multiple rooms and zones. ControlSpaceEX provides system design flexibility, allowing VoIP, USB, and telephone devices to be directly connected to the EX1280C processor. Telephone codecs can be augmented with the EXUH endpoint. If that's not enough, the EX1280C also provides advanced logic control, and in many applications can minimize the need for a third-party user controller. For the room sound system, the connection from the EX1280C to PowerShare PS404 amp is called AmpLink. It transports up to 8 uncompressed, near-zero latency digital audio channels via shielded Cat5 cable. The amp also supports a pass-through for daisy chaining up to 8 other Bose AmpLink amplifiers at a distance of up to 10 meters between devices. The PowerShare PS404A is a 4-channel amplifier with 400 watts available. It incorporates a patented amplification technology that allows the total 400 watts of power to be shared asymmetrically across all outputs, as each output is capable of delivering full power. Instead of selecting amplifier power based on the needs of the largest zone, installers can have the freedom to use total amplifier power in the application. PowerShare is an adaptive combination amplifier. Each channel can be configured for low impedance, 4 or 8 ohm use, or high impedance, 70 volt or 100 volt applications without bridging, using jumpers, or software settings. Our chosen loudspeaker is a technology called EdgeMax. EdgeMax combines the superior performance of a large, surface mount loudspeaker with the visually appealing aesthetics of an in-ceiling loudspeaker. It's called EdgeMax because it's designed to be ceiling mounted at the edge of the room, so loudspeakers are kept from being an eyesore in the middle of the ceiling. EdgeMax loudspeakers are tucked away and out of sight lines. It provides excellent conferencing performance via a patented phase guide technology. It projects high frequency like a surface mount loudspeaker and effectively covers an area that would require multiple conventional ceiling loudspeakers. In our room, the front EdgeMax loudspeaker projects sound above the video display. This makes it sound natural as the sound is localized with the video. We recommend the EM180 model as it provides nominal 180-degree horizontal coverage. For the rear seating, we recommend 2 additional EdgeMax loudspeakers for a total of 3 units. As seen, you get full room coverage. One last innovation is privacy mode. For conferencing rooms requiring conversations happening inside the room not being intelligible in the adjacent areas, such as hallways, seating areas, or offices. Perimeter loudspeakers such as FreeSpace can be easily installed and powered from the 4th amplifier channel. By a click of the privacy button on the tablet, the EX1280C's processor's logic controls can engage an internal noise generator and turn on noise masking into the perimeter areas. Now your meetings will be more private. Once the meeting is finished, you can easily turn it off. So in closing, you just experienced why the Bose Professional ControlSpaceEX platform is a great conferencing solution that's powerful yet simple to design and operate. Innovations such as the compact under-table endpoints with magnetic plates, remote app control, acoustic echo cancellation, privacy mode, support for all types of telephone and microphones makes Bose ControlSpaceEX a great alternative.